Oh, shoot. I missed a Kodak moment. They were quietly waiting for breakfast, and Charlie had his head over Dansby's back. Dansby was quite upset, so I'm filming nothing here. Okay. Dansby was very upset when his sister left, but it sure made room for Charlie as a friend. Yeah. Hi, Bookins. Where's Charlie? Where's Charlie? Say, where's our breakfast? How about that, lady? We're so hungry, I feel faint. Oh, my God. Are you hungry? You have the hiccups? Oh. You do? There's Charlie out there. The rain is let up. I'm going to go out and feed. Yeah. There's Ted. P, do not guard the door. That is just the rudest thing ever. Come on, sweetheart. Oh, it hasn't let up that much, but it's okay. I have a raincoat on. Okay. You can't be the ogre at the door, P. It's really unattractive, you know what I mean? Okay.